Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I got just a couple things here to show you, and they're from Outdoor Tide. I've had them sitting here for a hot minute, and I started to see many creators getting things from Outdoor Tide, and several of them were like, new company, well, they're not. I got stuff from Outdoor Tide like years ago, and I got stuff for a few times, and then they I didn't hear from them anymore until I don't know, a month ago or so, and they contacted me again, and I was like, okay, let me pick out a couple things. I only have a couple things. I had just kind of a small budget with them, so I was like, okay, well, we'll pick out a few things. So this is what I got. Your typical toolkit. Here's our drills, and here's our cute little painting. I was like, is there something on there? No, it's just printed on there. Okay, besides my hair. But it's a snow globe. Just a cute little snow globe with a house in there, right? Super cute. I like it. It has 11 different drills. I'm going to like this part down here at the bottom. That's all special drills right there. Special drills here, the big drills in the tree. We'll look at it and let's see what we got. Our 11 drills, different kinds. All right. So Outdoor Tide is one of those places that has lots of different things. You look around on some of these sites, they don't just have diamond paintings. You'll find other, kind of fun things. And I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so let's look at the drills first. So we got clear, orange, red, green. That's it for the rhinestones. All right, there's some big ones. What number is that? Okay, so that's 5 and 6. They're about the same size. We got clear. They're very faceted. They're pretty. And then we have some green. I like those. They're nice. Then we have some red marquees. And then we have these. Aren't those fun? We've had flowers before, but I don't think I've ever had like a clear looking flower like those. Those are fun. And we have gold stars, and we have some smaller silver stars. And then we have these crystal on the back, gold on the top. I like it. It's super cute. So I picked that out. And then I went looking to see what other kinds of things they have. And this is not a diamond painting. So let me show you what I got. The box is a little weirded out. It's kind of smushy and whatnot. But anyhow, let's get it out. I did open this. So what do I have in the little bag? It's super cute. All right. I hope this is all together. Yes, it is. All right. So this is what we have. It is a little hanging. Can you see it? There we go. It's a hanging. It's a hummingbird. How can we show you this? I don't even know. Hang on. Let me move you out this way. Let me move you out here. There we go. So it's got a hook on the top. And it's got the hummingbird. And it's got beads. They're really green plastic beads. And then the crystally gem at the bottom. That will hang outside somewhere, won't it? That'd be cute. So I got that. I'll link both of these items below so you can check them out. Like I said, they have been around for a while, and you can find other types of things besides just diamond paintings with them. So that's what I got, folks. That's it. I know it's super short, but that's all I got to show you. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.